This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector, then loosen the hose clamps for the intake air duct and breather hose nearby. Remove the air intake duct and air filter housing assembly. Disconnect the starter solenoid electrical connector, then unscrew the nut retaining the battery positive cable. Disconnect the battery cable from the starter motor. Remove the upper and lower starter motor mounting bolts. Remove the cable bracket bolts from the starter. Remove the starter motor from the engine. Install the starter motor into the engine. Install the upper and lower mounting bolts. Tighten the starter mounting bolts securely. Attach the cable bracket to the starter with the bracket bolts, tightening them securely. Connect the battery positive cable to the starter solenoid, then screw on the nut. Tighten the nut securely, then secure the protective cover over the nut. Connect the starter solenoid electrical connector. Install the air filter housing and intake duct assembly, connecting the intake tube to the throttle body, then the breather hose to the valve cover. Tighten the hose clamp securely. Connect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.